Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side view mirror on a Ford Fusion. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and a trim removal tool. Next, make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Ford Fusion model. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to maintain safety throughout the process. Now, let's get that old mirror off. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. This will expose the wiring and mounting points. Once the panel is loose, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions. Finally, use your wrench or socket to unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. The old mirror should now be free. With the old mirror removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new side view mirror onto the door frame, aligning the mounting holes. Secure it firmly using the bolts you removed earlier. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror assembly, ensuring a snug fit. Before putting everything back together, turn on your car and test all mirror functions, like adjustment and heating, to confirm they work correctly. You're almost done. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place for a tight fit. Give your new mirror one final check, testing all its electronic functions again to ensure everything is operating perfectly. This ensures a successful repair and a safe drive. Also, for a fantastic deal on an Owala water bottle and other great offers, be sure to check out the links in the video description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.